This bag has poker chips in it, 4 different colors. There are 10 of each color, so a total of 40 poker chips. I can mix them up, and I'm going to pull 2 poker chips. So that's 2 events. The first event is I pulled a red poker chip, but I didn't put it back. Now the second event, make sure I'm really doing this randomly, I got a green poker chip. Was getting the green poker chip dependent on whether or not I got a red one? Or was it independent? Let's look at the probabilities that are involved. We can use favorable over total to find the probability of getting the red chip. It is 10 over 40 because there are 10 red chips in the bag and there are 40 chips in the bag. We can convert this into a decimal and a percent. Now the favorable over total for getting the green chip. That's 10 over 39. It's still 10 for favorable because there are still 10 green chips in the bag. But there are no longer 40 in the bag. There are now 39 because of the red chip that was not put back. We convert this to a decimal and a percent. And what we can see is this is a dependent situation. Because what happened the first time when we got the red chip affected what would happen the second time. Not because we were missing a red chip, but because we were missing a chip from the total. So if either the numerator or the denominator changes in between the 2 events, it's because they're dependent. Well, that was fun, so let's do it again. 2 events. I'm going to pull a poker chip, and it's white, but I'm going to put it back. Pick up the poker chips, and then I'm going to pull out another one, and it's green. Was the event getting the green poker chip dependent on getting the white one, or was it independent? Let's look at the probabilities involved. We have first event white chip, chip put back, and then second event green chip. For the first event white chip, favorable over total is 10 over 40, which converts to 0.25 as a decimal and 25% in the form of a percentage. Then we put the chip back, and the second event's favorable over total is also 10 over 40. Same decimal, same percent. Because we put the chip back, the number of total chips does not change. And in each case, there were 10 white and 10 green chips. That means that these 2 events are independent. It really has to do with whether the chip is put back or not. That is today's Daily Dose of Math. Please like, subscribe, and share.